Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Bäyterek. Bäyterek is a monument and observation tower in Astana, the capital city of Kazakhstan, a tourist attraction popular with foreign visitors and native Kazakhs. It is emblematic of the city, which became capital of the country in 1997. The tower is located on the Nurzhol Boulevard and is considered a symbol of post-independence Kazakhstan. The monument is meant to embody a folk tale about a mythical tree of life and a magic bird of happiness. The bird, named Samruk, had laid its egg in the crevice between two branches of a poplar tree. The 105-meter tall structure rises from a wide flat base within a raised plaza. It consists of a narrow cylindrical shaft surrounded by white branch-like girders that flare out near the top, supporting a gold-mirrored 22-meter diameter sphere. The base contains a ticket booth and exhibition space, with two lifts rising within the shaft to the observation deck within the egg. Entrances to the monument are sunk below eye level, reached by stairs from the surrounding plaza. The observation deck is 97 meters above ground level, corresponding to the 1997, the year that Astana became the nation's capital. It consists of two levels, one with 360-degree views of Astana and beyond, with the second higher level reached by a flight of stairs. The top level features a gilded handprint of the right hand of Nursultan, the first president of the independent Republic of Kazakhstan, mounted on an ornate pedestal. A plaque invites visitors to place a hand in the imprint and make a wish. Alongside the handprint and also oriented in the direction of the presidential palace is a wooden sculpture of a globe and 16 radiating segments, commemorating the Congress of Leaders of World and Traditional Religions held several times in Astana. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like, leave a comment. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. See you later.